Creator Training Channel by George Pierce presents How You Can Make Money on YouTube. Starting right now. You do not have to wait. Even if your channel is brand new, you can use this strategy. You do not have to spend any money, this is totally free. In addition, it is copy and paste easy. All you need to do is to follow 3 easy steps. And you can be making money in a matter of minutes. Step 1 is to sign up for free. Step 2 is to copy and paste. Step 3 is to earn money. The process is called affiliate marketing. Do not let that scare you, you are about to see a way that is so simple. And so fast. And so easy, your only regret is that you did not start doing this sooner. Your first step is to join an affiliate that is well known and trusted. When you do this, you are taking advantage of what is called know, like, and trust. We are going to be using Amazon, because it is well known, well liked, and trusted, which means that clicks and sales are much easier. This strategy also works with other affiliates such as Lowe's, Home Depot, and Walmart. Go to the affiliate that you choose. Again, we are using Amazon. A link to the Amazon affiliate program is below. Amazon calls their affiliates associates. Step 1, as mentioned, sign up for free. Step 2 is to find a product or products that are related to your content. Whatever your channel, Amazon should have products that are relative to your niche. Products that your viewers will buy. Get your affiliate link. Your next step is a bonus step. It is a way to make your links more clickable. Go to a site called Cutly, which is cut.ly, and paste your link where it says. Paste long URL and shorten it. Hit the button that says Shorten. Just below the new shortened URL, click on the icon that says Change URL alias /name. Type in your custom name and hit change. Copy your custom URL. Next, open WordPad. If you are not familiar with WordPad, type it into your computer search box. On WordPad, type in a description and add your link. Of course, you can do this for more than one product. Save. Every time that you post a video, copy and paste your descriptions and links into your video's description. When your viewers click your links and make a purchase, you make a commission. If you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Turn the like button black, thank you. Consider subscribing to this channel so that Mr. P can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Allow me to say thank you for watching, it is appreciated. I invite you to watch this video, next.